So let's practice about the negative indices. You got the question 1, evaluate the fraction or whole number. Yeah, you got here, I have to change from the negative indices become to the fraction first. 3 to power minus 3, so is equal to 1 over 3 to power of 3 like here. And then 1 over 27. Question B, 4 minus 1, so 1 over 4 to power of 1. And then you got 1 to power 1 over 4. Question C, you got minus 3, and it is mean 7 to power of 3 like this. About D, you got 1 over 10 to power of 4, so 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 4 0 here. The next one, E, you got 2 to power of minus 8, so 1 over 2 to power of 8 like this. And then 1 over 1 divided by 2 to power of 8, you got 1 over 256. Question F, 0. Okay, this is equal to 1 because all indices with power number is 0 equal to 1. Yeah, that is G. Move to G. You will have 1 over 2 to power of 5 here. Yeah. Okay, so move to H. You got 3 to power of minus 4. Here is 1 over 3 to power of 4. So here is 1 and here is SD1. So here is I. 7 minus 1 here, so 1 over 7. About J, 9 to power of minus 2, so 1 over 2 to power of 2 like this, 1 over 81, right? Question K, 2 to power of negative 6, this is 1 over 2, 6 here. Question L, 3 minus 2, so 1 over 3 square. Question M, very easy. 4 to power of 0, this is equal to 1. Question N, 6 to power of minus 2, here is 1 over 6 square. Here is 1 over 6 square. And 0, 5 to power of minus 3, this is 1 over 5 to power of square. 1 over 5 to power of cube. Question P, 10 minus 5, so 1 over 10 to power of 5. Q, 2 to power of minus 7, this is equal to 1 over 2 to power of 7. Yeah, question R, you got equal to 1. This question, you got 1 over 8 square, and for the last one, 1 over 4 to power of 3. Yeah, change from the negative indices become to the positive indices, you will have this writing. Exercise 1, we finished. We move to exercise 2. You got 10 question is, the first question is very easy because you got the power number of 0, so equal to 1. About the next one, question B, you have to understand about the reciprocal. So I will change from negative 4 become to 4. It means I have to take reciprocal of a fraction inside the bracket. 2 to power of 1 is mean to power of 4. So here is 16. Question C, reciprocal and change from negative become to positive. This will be still here. Question D, 5 to power of 6 square. Okay. So reciprocal, you got 6 over 6 to power of 5, and you got square here. This means 36 over 25. Question E is very easy. Equal to 1 because you got the power number is 0. The power number is 0. So how about F? You will have 5 over 1 and 3 here. 5 to power of 3, 5 cube 125. Question G, you got 4 divided by 3, and then you got 1. It means 4 over 3. Question 8, 7 over 1, right? And square outside change from -2 become to 2. So 7 square is mean 49. Question I, 3 to power of 3 over 2 and q here, 3q and then 2q. This is 27. Here is 8. And the last one, I will write down here, 2 to power of 5. So 32 will be my final answer for question 2. This is a little easier, right? Question 2 we finished. Oh, sorry, we have a lot of question in here. Yeah, go on for question K. 7 over 3. Question L, you got 1. Question M, you have 7 over 6 and square outside, 49 over 36. Question N, 10 over 9 and square outside, you got 100 and you got 81 here. About 0, you got here is 1. About P, you got, we have problem. Minus 4 over 1 like this, and then you will have square here. You will got square here. Minus 4 divided by 1 equal to minus 4 square. It means 16. It means 16. So question Q, minus 5 over 2, and then the power will be 3. So I can write out like minus 5, 3 outside, 2q like this one, minus 125 divided by 8 here. Divide by 8 here. Okay, so question R, I change from this mixed number become to the fraction. 23 over 7, and then you got minus 1. This is minus 7 and 23 in this writing. And the question S, you got 1. You got 1 because here the power number is 0. Question T, ST, right? And I will move it. This is equal to 5 over 4. Minus 5 over 4, and here is minus 2. So I will change, I will take reciprocal. Minus 4 over 5, square here. Minus 4 will be square, and 5 will go square in this position. 16 over 25. Yeah, that is the question T. Okay, we officially finished question 2. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.